I'm very concerned because the Supreme Court was pretty clear that this kind of proposal, this kind of bill was unconstitutional. So that means that Pierre Poilievre saying, yes, I'm going to reintroduce a bill that does not respect the Canadian Charter of Rights. That's okay. That's cool. He has the right to do that as of now. But the thing is, if this works, politically speaking, can we consider that? Can we guess that Polyev would be inclined to propose new bills using again the notwithstanding clause for other issues, like for instance, maybe restraining abortion, maybe restraining other individual protection in terms of criminal matters? Can it be in terms of equality for the LGBTQ community, for instance, and such and such and such? In other words, what I'm saying is that when a politician feels comfortable using the notwithstanding clause, despite a clear decision from the Supreme Court, it means that it could be like a trend, and maybe we should be very, very careful about that. I'm a bit concerned, frankly, and I guess and I hope that citizen will be concerned as well, because there's no democracy that is not built on a real and strong rule of law. If it's so easy for politicians to reverse a decision from Supreme Court, then we're going to have, big problems. Invoking that clause is now a trend for populist politicians in order to gain some momentum, politically speaking, right? And to increase their voting in terms of surveys, saying, I'm the one in charge. And to do that, don't worry, I'm going to suspend the rights of those bad people because I'm protecting you. And this is the problem right now. When the notwithstanding clause was entrenched in the Charter of Rights, people thought that there will be like a political prize to pay for the politician who invoke the said notwithstanding clause. Now it's the opposite. You invoke it to gain some political momentum, which is quite a problem because we're living in a populist movement right now and in populist tendencies. So this is why I'm very, very concerned about it, and hopefully the Supreme Court will restrict the easiness to use the notwithstanding clause as we speak.